Hi guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another video where today we're going to be analyzing the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq and the Bitcoin price chart. Before I get started with today's video, I just want to quickly apologize for not posting a video the past couple of trading sessions. As you can hear by the sound of my voice, I've been a little bit under the weather, so I just wanted to have a little break for a few days just to kind of recover, but I'm back and videos will continue as per usual. Let's get started with today's video. dailymarketmovements.com. If you guys would like to join my trading signal group, then make sure you visit this website and sign up. I charge a very small fee of just over $20. This will give you access to my Telegram group chat where I share all of my trades for you guys to copy. I also give you access to the Investors Lounge. This is where I post daily video analysis videos where you can kind of see in depth as to why I've decided to open those particular positions, and it also gives you access to the educational hub where you can learn how I trade on a day-to-day basis and use the indicators that I use when analyzing certain stocks or assets. But let's get started with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 has done exactly what I have anticipated it to do, and that is hit my price target up at around 6,000. We currently find ourselves trading at 5,992, but during yesterday's trading session we hit a new all-time high, and that all-time high was all the way up at 6,026. It is in my own humble opinion that we have just pretty much finished this third wave here, and that we could potentially see an ABC correction down towards let's say 5,850, which will represent the fourth wave. This is just a correctional phase, and I do see this as a fantastic buying opportunity. We likely bottom going into the first couple of weeks of December, and then from there we can then start to turn higher into year end, where we could go and achieve, let's say, 6,200, which will be the fifth and final wave as we work our way into the new year. Nasdaq 100, very similar to the S&P 500. We're now breaking back into that new all-time high territory. This is something that I had been mentioning over the past couple of weeks, that the Nasdaq 100 still needed to play catch up here with the other indexes such as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30. And the good news is that we have managed to achieve that. We still sit slightly underneath my target of around 21,600 for this third wave. It is in my own humble opinion that we can still achieve this within the next couple of days before we see any potential correction, which may or may not be the fourth wave. And then finally, guys, I think that one of the biggest topics in the markets right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has exploded higher over the past couple of trading sessions. It's in my own opinion that we're trading within this five wave move, which could reach as high as 145, maybe let's say $150,000 by November next year. Now, obviously, we have broken out of that long 6-month consolidation phase, and we've gone a very long way in a very short period of time. So we could just consolidate here for a few days, which is perfectly normal. In fact, it would be considered to be healthy. But ultimately, I do see us breaking up towards 100,000 going into the end of the year to finalize this third wave move. From there, we could see a minor pullback down towards, let's say, the mid-80s before surging higher in the middle of 2025 to go and achieve those price targets that I just mentioned a few moments ago, which could be around 145 to 150,000. We've seen several crypto assets move. Some of these Bitcoin proxies, for example, we've seen Coinbase surge over 75%. We've seen CleanSpark surge significantly. We've seen MicroStrategy hit a brand new all-time high. In fact, this has now just achieved the price higher than where the stock was trading during the dot-com bubble. Mara has exploded out as well. So many of these crypto assets and proxies are starting to trade significantly higher over the past couple of days, and I'm really happy to announce that my Signal team were there to capitalize on it. We have had a strategy the past couple of months, which is to focus on Bitcoin and Bitcoin proxies only, and not so much on the traditional stocks such as the Magnificent Seven, for example. We've been focusing solely on Bitcoin and Bitcoin proxies, and we've done significantly well. The last 16 trades, we've won 13 of them, and we're now up over 355% for the year. So if you would like to join my trading team, then make sure you visit dailymarketmovements.com. As I mentioned, I charge a very small joining fee of just over $20, and it'll give you access to all what I mentioned at the start of today's video. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.